Keep it moving. Nothing to see here.
These are nice, actually.
It ate Teddy, and Bunny's ears went all flat, like this.
Don't worry. I will stop that machine.
It is not angry. It is tidying approximately everything.
I meant to face this way.
Oh, Pip, that's scary. Bao was holding that.
It is full. When it is full, it goes home. And its home is the faraway dump outside town.
No.
Its tidy dial is stuck on Mega. So it tidies things that are not rubbish. But it still loves real rubbish the most. So we build a trail of real rubbish all the way to the recycling point here. And when it gets there, it gives back everything that does not belong inside it.
Can everyone help me sort? A banana peel? Rubbish? Yes. A teddy? Rubbish? No. Teddies are for hugging.
Crumpled paper. Rubbish? Yes.
Pip, let's do it. Pop, let's definitely do it. But we are too small.
One brave breath together. It's on the bridge road. Go now.
We need every bin in the park moved to the trail.
Done.
I am a very tidy mountain.
Oh no! Wind broke the trail of rubbish.
It's time for sacrification.
Roxy, we need more rubbish trail.
Quick, peel? Yes. Wrapper? Yes. Paper? Yes.
Kids, finally! Sweepy is calm and home!
It always helps.
It is okay. Bao knows you were helping.
First we look, then we help. That is real helping.
Milo does not squeak. That was a bird.
Helps.
You sorted brilliantly today. Rubbish goes in the bin. Teddies do not. And one more thing. Before you help a friend, look first. Ask what they need. That is real helping.
Did you have fun? Tap the button to see more of us. Bye-bye.